I just got those coffee cleaning pots in the mail from Amazon. They are from Active. I quite frankly have never seen them before, and it's very intriguing because I have a coffee machine which brews K-cups. So it's very intriguing. It says it cleans, deodorizes, and refreshes. Also, when you open them up, they come in a pack of 12. That's what they look like. And then there is no instruction manual in here, but on the top of the K-cup, it says, insert cleaner pot, brew largest cup size, and discard cleaner pot, brew again with no pot inside, rinse, wipe, and remove residue. It sounds very simple, so let's try that real quick and see how this works. So this is where it goes in. Put that in as normal. Then we're gonna close it. So let's hit the start button. So this is what it looks like. And now we are just gonna open this up here. We're gonna discard it. Then we're gonna brew the same thing without it. So we're gonna close it again. So now it has nothing in it, and we're just gonna brew it again so it cleans out whatever residue is left. Also on the package here outside, it tells you also how to do this exactly, but it also tells you to do this after every 30 cups right over here. But I really think this is a really nifty idea. It's very easy to clean your coffee machine now. You don't even have to worry about it, and that's for Keurigs. That's for any coffee machine who has a K-cup attachment for it. So I really like this idea. It's very easy to use, and I think I will use this continuously because I brew a coffee every day. So it really takes off the pressure of that you have to clean the machine all the time. You just pop in one of those cleaning pots and the machine is clean. You just have to 2 times brew this so the residues comes out. But a really great idea. Honestly, I can highly recommend it. I love it. And if you haven't tried them yet, just give them a try.